When it comes to cutting into corners and getting smooth, clean edges, applying the right technique can be just as important as using the right brush. First, you'll want to make sure you're loading up your brush properly. Dip the brush 2 inches into your paint and tap off excess. Then, turn the brush and tap off excess from the other side. Repeat this step one more time. Using a brush to cut in helps prevent paint or stain from getting on surfaces next to the areas you will be painting. The 3 most common areas you will want to cut into are windows, along baseboards, and where the wall meets the ceiling. Start with the Valspar wall and trim brush. Its thin, tapered design provides ultra clean lines. When cutting into a corner or wall edge, move the brush in a parallel direction to the edge, pressing into the wall until it fans out. Then, bring the brush in line with the edge and make one long, smooth stroke. When cutting into a ceiling, hold the brush at a lower angle and apply less pressure than you would for cutting into window trim or wall corners.